I daily post off-campus job opportunity-based videos, career-based video, useful tips and suggestion videos and other very important content on this channel. So if you are interested, please consider subscribing for more amazing and productive videos. When you are in your final year and applying for a job for the first time, certain resume formats can help you stand out to recruiters and hiring managers. Most candidates create their resume using a chronological format that focuses on their relevant experience. Freshers need a different format that focuses on their strengths while also equally highlighting them as a strong candidate for the position they are applying for. Do watch the video till the end for making a perfect resume. Let's start. Follow these steps and examples to write a resume formatted for freshers. First, read the job description. Every resume should be specific to the skills and qualities needed to be successful in the role you are applying for, and should indicate that have the core values needed for a specific role and as required by the employer. Reading the job description before you write your resume will help you choose the keywords you should include throughout your resume. Second, include your contact information. The first section of your resume should state all of your contact information, including your name, address, or city and state, phone number and email address. Some people prefer not to include their entire address, but if you live close to the office of the job you are applying for, including your full address may help you stand out. Some candidates also prefer to include links to social media profiles, personal websites, personal blogs or personal portfolios in this section. If you include these types of links in your resume, it is important to make sure everything on your profile is professional and portrays the personal professional brand you want. Third, write a powerful summary statement or career objective. The next section of your resume should be a personal summary that states who you are as a professional, what your career goals are and why you are the best candidate for the position you are applying for. A great resume summary statement should convey your knowledge and passion for the role you are applying to and how you will be of value to the employer. General career objective example could be: to secure a challenging position in a reputable organization to expand my learnings, knowledge, and skills. Secure a responsible career opportunity to fully utilize my training and skills, while making a significant contribution to the success of the company. Fourth, choose the skills you want to highlight. Your next step is to choose the technical hard skills and soft skills you have which are most relevant to being successful in the position you are applying for. You can often find specific skills the employer is looking for listed throughout the job description. When listing your skills, it is best to use a 1 or 2 column format that states the skill and your level of experience with the skill. Fifth, highlight education, training and certifications. The next section of your resume should highlight the most relevant education, training and certifications you have. This could include your major and minor in college, professional licenses and certifications, certificate courses taken in college and additional professional training. If you earned honors, exceptional grades or scholarships, you can also highlight this information in this section. Sixth, include relevant experience. Not having professional work experience does not mean you don't have any relevant experience you can include in your resume. While this section will not be the focus of your resume, you can include this section if you have experience such as internships, volunteer work, educational projects or relevant coursework that provide evidence for your skills and knowledge. This section should include the name of the experience or project and a brief description of what you did in these experiences relevant to the position you are applying for. Seventh, proofread. The last step in writing a fresher resume is to proofread what you have written. You can read your resume out loud or have a friend or family member proofread your resume for you. This will help you find any spelling or grammar errors, check for inconsistencies, ensure your resume highlights the features that make you the best candidate for the position, and ensure your resume is honest and memorable. I'll also share some additional tips for writing a resume for freshers. Here are a few tips to keep in mind when writing a fresher resume. 1. Properly include interests and hobbies. It is best to include only interests and hobbies relevant to the position you are applying for. You can also include interests and hobbies that you have earned awards or special recognition for, as this shows a level of dedication and work ethic. 2. Keep your resume to 1 page. 1 page is enough room to include the relevant information you need on a fresher resume. Try to keep your resume clear, direct and simple. 3. Highlight your willingness to learn. Using your fresher resume to showcase your willingness to learn can help you stand out to employers who prefer candidates who will be open-minded to learning the employer's specific way of doing business. Highlighting honors, scholarships and exceptional grades you have earned while in school is a great way to show this. 4. Include a miscellaneous section if needed. A miscellaneous section can include languages you are proficient in, accomplishments you are most proud of that didn't fit in another section of your resume, your personal philosophy and professional references. However, it is important to ensure the information you are providing in a miscellaneous section applies to the position you are applying to and only include this section if there is enough room left over on your resume. Hope this is useful. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more.